What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and good morning. Hope you're having a great weekend. Welcome to this video in which we'll talk about Conflux or CFX, the CFX coin again. I wanted to make a full update on that. We'll focus on the technicals. I think I have a great buy area which I wanted to show to you, kind of give you my thoughts on why I think that's a great buy area. And just in general talk about it, because I know that a lot of you are still in Conflux, have traded it when we had this massive rally. Some have lost money, some have won money, but I just wanted to cover it again in this video. So let's get right into it. Conflux itself right now is it is losing a little bit of its hype. I mean, the volume right now is still very high. It's close to 200 million compared to the market cap. That's amazing. But if you compare it with like the last month, you can see that we had this little spike when we shot up from 20 cents. But ever since we've been dropping again. The lowest point we've been at is 130 million, and I think we're going to get there tomorrow again. It's the weekend, volume usually drops. But apart from that, technically, if we take a look at Conflux, I mean, fundamentally, I would say that fundamentally long term, we're still very bullish, but on the short term, I think we have gone up a little bit too much because of the news. Usually when a big partnership is made, we do have a rally, but not this big. I mean, this was just going from 5 cents to 36 cents in a matter of a week. It's just a lot, and it was probably a little bit manipulated. So even though I would say on the long term we're fundamentally bullish, on the short term I still think we're overhyped. Now, all right. If we then zoom into the technicals, what we have done yesterday after the quite big drop on Friday night, we dropped down below our support level at 20 cents, which was the main support level, which caused the second kind of rally. Dropped down below that, also confirmed that, took a break retest, and now have dropped down to our next support level around 18.3 cents. Now, altogether, I think we'll continue dropping down. We're now, as I said, we're at somewhat of a strong support level. But the break retest through 20 cents, I think, is a stronger catalyst. I think that resistance is stronger than the support we have right now. So then the thing is that from here, I mean, it's the weekend. We'll probably not move a lot. We might move up to like 20 cents, at the very most move up to like 20.8. But altogether, I think we're continuing this bearish momentum down towards this level. And this is an interesting level, I think. It's not that major of a key level, and it ranges a little. It's a little bit more like this, to be honest. Yeah, but here you have the support level, which I think is very interesting, both on the daily and the 4-hour. On the daily, you got the 28 EMA there, but you also have the 618 fib here of this entire bullish move. So it's a very strong fib level, and on the this is a little bit harder, but on the 4-hour, you also have the 200 EMA. Kind of getting there. It's not getting there fast enough, because right now something that I would have in mind is to do something like this, which is still too risky. Like if you think about the risk reward, this is just too much. You can barely get a 1.0 risk reward out of this, I think. You can maybe at the very most get like a 1.5. So you'd have to take a little bit more risk and assume that the price goes up from like 17.5 cents. But as I said, that's just too risky for me. So I think that from this entire level, like between 17.5 cents and that 200 EMA, which right now is at like 16.2 cents, I think from there, somewhere there, we will actually get some sort of a rally up to 20 cents. And I even think we can rally all the way up to 21 cents. But even though I think that's very interesting and definitely something to research for yourself, right now, it just doesn't make that much sense on the risk reward side of things. But I wanted to notify you about that. Altogether, I think that even though we can find some nice support from there, I don't think we'll break above. I don't think we'll get into a bullish market structure. I think in the end, we'll still continue dropping down to also like 15 cents and to 13.5 cents. But it's a nice in-between bullish momentum moment. But yeah, that's my take on Conflux for today and the CFX coin. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.